Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Request Facebook page ownership. So on the left side, I have a step-by-step tutorial, and on the right side, I'm going to show you how it should look like. So you're going to have a visual aid and not just listen to me tell you this step-by-step tutorial, right? So for the left side, let's focus first. Step number one, of course, log in as a Facebook manager. I'm creating this one because not everyone has access as a Facebook manager, so you'll know where to go through with this one. So access business settings for step 2 and navigate to pages. Now I'm gonna stop for step 3 first, because before you can log into Facebook Business Manager, you need to look for this website. It should look like this: Meta for Business, formerly known as Facebook for Business. Just go to Google, search it up, and this is how it should look like. Now once you're here, navigate to pages. So go to settings right there and look for the one that says pages. Now it should be around here somewhere. That's going to be around here. Let me just look it up. Let me just expand this one so we can see everyone. As you can see right here, pages should be right there. And as you can see, I do not have a pages of my own because that's going to be another for the paid plan of a business partner or business Facebook pages. Anyway, for that one, once you're here, simply click on a specific page. Enter the name of the URL you wish to claim and click Add Page. Lastly, you need to verify your ownership. For example, if it's unclaimed, it will be added to your business manager immediately. If it's already claimed, of course, you'll need to request access. The current admin will receive notification, approve your request. So these are the additional tips. If you're unable to contact the current admin, submit a request to Facebook with proof of ownership. Basically, you just need to log in if you don't have access and request ownership, or if that's going to be your page and you just want to claim it, just enter the details and you'll be good to go. Anyway, this is going to be how it should look like. This one right there. So go to settings, pages, and everything should be in here. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.